Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Yamaha SMax 155cc motor scooter, 2-up, electric start, fuel injection, automatic transmission, top speed probably about 70, 75. This thing gets close to 100 miles per gallon. Come on by and make your scooter dreams come true. This gorgeous metallic gray SMax from Yamaha. Only $34.90. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Brand new tires on this scooter. Only 3,000 miles on the odometer. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.